I would like to buy this dress. It's beautiful.
Oh.
No, I'm not.
Alright, come in.
Come in. Mama. Mama, you're welcome. Let me help you. Welcome. Oh.
Thank you, my daughter.
This is
day?
We did fine. Oh. This is Lizzie's mother.
Oh, welcome, Mom.
Thank you, my son. Where are others now?
Oh, Ejiro went to her shop and Ife is not back from school.
Elizabeth and Co. When they hear from Amato?
Yes, she's fine. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, let me take you into your room so you can rest, eh?
And they hear cry.
Oh, that's my baby. I now have a child.
So you don't born? Nobody tell me. You not even tell me.
Hey, Mama, no vex for me, I beg.
I don't vex already.
No vex, so I beg. Let me take you to your room, so that you can feel rest, eh?
Oh.
Welcome.
And what's that look on your face?
Why would this man even come here without even calling anybody? Why is she here?
Then sort her why she's here.
The reason I called you all here is because I have a useful information to pass to you all. Mama, I'm happy that you are here. You know you are not feeling fine.
Yes.
So, it's not good I keep lying to you. It's good I tell you the truth.
Jacinta, as you dey talk, my heart can't cut. Fear. I dey fear. Anything happen.
Mama, the thing is that Lizzie lied to you all.
My daughter.
She traveled to Italy for prostitution.
Hey!
Yes, so. Not just that. She sold this house to me. And also borrowed some money from me to pay a face school fees before traveling out. I also gathered from a rightful source that she is dead. She died of drug overdose.
My daughter! My daughter died! My daughter!
My leg, don't mind now! You, me no say me no trust you. Such a lie. You dey lie for Koro. I have to do like this. My sister Lizzie, she no go Italy. Now America she go. My leg, don't mind her, she dey lie.
My friend, shut up there. What is the difference between America and Italy? Prostitution is prostitution. To cut the long story short, Lizzie is dead.
See. You see all this thing that you're just talking now? I don't believe you one bit. I don't believe you at all. One bit. I don't believe you.
If you don't believe me, so why haven't you heard from her all this while? You think I don't care? You think I am not bothered? I am.
So why have you been keeping this from us since? Why?
Because I don't want to hurt you people. Ejiro here has been so disrespectful. As you all know, this house now belongs to me. So, you all have to obey my rules.
Excuse me?
Are you deaf?
Didn't you hear when I said your sister sold the house to me? Or you want me to show you the documents?
Okay, then because. Hey, Jacinta, my daughter. Hey. Oh, I dey fear you now. I dey fear you, Jacinta. Remember one thing. God dey.
Mama, what I do now? Why you come dey talk to me like this? In fact, For this way you just talk now, y'all all should leave my house.
Eh?
Come up from my house. Jerry, call Musa.
Okay.
Listen very carefully. This house was built with my sister's sweat and blood.
Yes.
You see us, we are not going anywhere.
Jerry! Get this fat woman and get out of my house.
Hey!
You say-
Jacinta, my daughter. Wait, man, make I go carry my bag.
Wait, man! Where they go? I don't want to push you. You know I'm a decent girl. I don't want to push you. Get out of my... Musa, do your work. Don't touch my mother. Don't touch my mother.
This
Don't
house
touch my
belongs to
mama.
my sister. We
Don't
are
touch
not
my
going
mama.
anywhere.
Mama.
We are not going
But my sister
anywhere.
has.
Don't touch me.
You.
Don't touch me.
You.
This house belongs to my sister.
Musa, send them out.
Don't have shame. Don't have shame. You are not.
Musa, send these ungrateful beings out.
This house belongs to my sister. We are not going anywhere.
Musa, send
I'm
them
not
out.
going. No.
Efe liver.
See.
Efe liver.
See,
You eh?
Musa, send these people out.
Tell you dey pursue us abi?
Jacinta.
No, dey come
Go,
out.
go out, go out. Send this person
Don't
out.
touch me o. You.
Don't come around.
You. I dey come for you. Everybody go tell you.
Get out! More than fat. Don't have
Ungrateful
fat.
beings.
Nonsense. This is my house.
Yes, baby. Do it however you want.
Ken,
Jacinta, how are you?
I'm alright. Good to see you.
Yes, I'm here. Thank you. I am here to see Ejiro. Is she in?
Oh, Ejiro. Sorry if I may ask. What are you doing with that illiterate?
Oh, if it might interest you to know, she's my girlfriend. Hmm.
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
Ken, when did you lose taste for good, beautiful girls? I mean, who would have thought that my own boyfriend would...
Hey, ex.
Okay. Who would have thought that my ex-boyfriend would stoop so low to go for a cunning, illiterate girl?
Jacinta, that should be my headache and not yours. I want to see her. And I heard her mother is around too. Are they in?
Well, you are not far from the truth. They might be around, but certainly not in my house. They've left.
Left to where?
She's your girlfriend, so you should know better. Look, Ken. I know you still love me. You don't just stop loving someone. Look, whatever that happened between Johnny and I was just a mere youthful exuberance. I'm grown. I'm matured now. Look, Ken, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything that happened.
Jacinta, I have forgiven you
Oh,
long before now.
thank you.
Aside what you did to me, you are a good person. Yes, I know that. But I can go back to my vomit. Thanks for your time, your attention, and your audience. Have a nice day, Jacinta.
Boss, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you? Where is your madam?
Since 4 days, I've never seen my madam. No madam they connect to.
This is strange. Where could she be?
See my madam they come.
Eh? What happened to you? Talk to me now. What happened? What? How? Where? When? Wait now. Talk to me now. Talk to me.
Jacinta lock us for outside. The patrols come up for us. And my mom here like never inside the house. Now so my mama
Jacinta again. What is it? What is all this now? Alright. Stop crying. Everything will be fine. I am here for you. I am here for you. Please stop crying. Okay? Everything will be fine. Please stop. I am here for you. Please. Stop now. Stop now. I'm here. Everything will be taken.
My name is Lizzie. I'm here to see my family.
Your family? I don't know your family. I don't know you. Who be your family work or there?
Jacinta, Ejiro Efe, and Baby Princewell.
I don't know these people they talk. None of them are my madam now. I don't know these people.
Okay, can I see your madam?
My madam no job. Only Morgan in there. But make I just take it to meet Morgan.
Young lady, you said you're a sister to my wife?
Actually, we're friends.
Okay.
But you know, we've been friends for many years. So it's more like we're now sisters.
I see. No wonder I don't know you. Well, you're welcome. So what do I offer you?
Nothing. I just want to see them. I have missed them so much. I want to set my eyes on them. It's been long. I can't wait to see them.
It's the first time I'm setting my eyes on you. So I should offer you something.
I understand, but I feel...
Hey! Who are you? Honey? Who is she?
I don't know.
Jacinta. It's me, Lizzie. Even in your dreams, you should recognize me. I am Lizzie, your best friend, the owner of this house. Where is everybody, Efe and Ejiro? Honey, how did you let her into the house? I have never met this woman. I don't even know how she knew my name. It's me, Lizzie. Jacinta, your best friend. Look, young woman, I don't know you. I don't know why you're here. I will advise you leave my house. Jacinta, I said I don't know you! Are you being serious? Okay, please. Where are my family that I left in your care before I traveled? Where are they? As your nanny? I can see this woman has gone insane. still watching her? Please ask her to leave my house.
Onny, calm down. But she sounded like she knew you.
And I just said I don't know her. I don't know this woman from anywhere.
It's okay. Just calm down. Young lady, please. You really have to leave now, okay? Please, you have to leave. Don't let me use force on you, okay? You just have to go. Please.
Can you leave my house with this your silly bag?
Young lady, please. Please, please, please.
This Lagos, what if person will see? One mad man will just enter your house and say,
keep going, keep going.
I don't want to push you. Please go.
It's alright.
Go now.
It's alright.
See how she's looking.
You don't have to get yourself.
I feel my heart beating fast when the light shines in the night. Feel like I'm trapped in the loop of time. When you dump one we shit in the trash. Got me all twisted in and out. Lost all the beauty of this life. Got me your best and I lost my mind. When you broke out and you broke my heart. We were like sugar and tea. We were like bread and butter. You meant everything to me. Tell me what you want me to do. Oh, you more. The one that I call my friend. The one that chose to be the end of my beginning. Oh, you more. The one that I call my friend. The one that I chose to be the end of my beginning. I feel my heart beating fast when the light shines in the night. Feel like I'm trapped in the loop of time. When you dump one we shit in the trash. Got me all twisted in and out. Lost all the beauty of this life. Got me your best and I lost my mind. When you broke out and you broke my heart. We were like sugar and tea. We were like bread and butter. You meant everything to me. Tell me what you want me to do. Oh, you more. The one that I call my friend. The one that chose to be the end of my beginning. Oh, you more. The one that I call my friend. The one that chose to be the end of my beginning. I feel my heart beating fast when the light shines in the night. Feel like I'm trapped in the loop of time. When you dump one we shit in the trash. Got me all twisted in and out. Lost all the beauty of this life. Got me your best and I lost my mind. When you broke out and you broke my heart. We were like sugar and tea. We were like bread and butter. You meant everything to me. Tell me what you want me to do. Oh, you more. The one that I call my friend. The one that chose to be the end of my beginning. Oh, you more. The one that I call my friend. The one that I chose
Who are you? I said, who are you and what are you doing here?
I'm sorry, sir. My name is Lizzie. I just want to lay my head here till morning, then I leave.
Don't you have a house? Okay. You can sleep here. Come inside, come sleep. You see, as I dey inside, my mind no gree me make I leave you outside here. Because of all these bad boys wey dey this area, they fit come harass you. And mosquito sef go deal with you before morning. So come inside, come sleep.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Come inside. Enter inside. No fear.
If anyone had told me this is how I would end up, I wouldn't believe it.
Kai, this world is indeed wicked. Is that your friend still living in that house?
Yes. Yes.
You know what, Lizzie? Don't allow her lay claim on your property, okay? You have to fight and get it back.
Fight. Fight with what? As I am seated here, I'm not even worth up to 10 naira. That house is not my major problem now. I need to get a job. How can I? My certificate is in the house and I don't even know if it's safe. I need to see my mother. But I can't see her because how do I see her empty-handed? My brother and my sister, I don't even know where they are. I'm so ashamed of myself.
It's okay, Lizzie, please, not again. Stop crying. I mean, you cried all through the night. Not again, please, stop. You see, my Oga, the owner of this big house you're seeing, lives abroad. He comes once in a year. Yes. Sometimes he doesn't even come in 2 years. So I'm the only one staying here all alone. You're free to stay here if you want. Yes.
Thank you.
It's alright. It's alright, Lizzie. And as for job, I know of a woman that needs house help. So I'll talk to her on your behalf. I hope you don't mind.
As long as it's something legit, I will do it. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay, Lizzie. You see, things will fall in line for you very soon. Okay? Just chill. I'll take you to her later in the day. Alright? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Thanks,
My God.
Amen.
Okay, no problem. Let me talk to you later. Okay. Sorry, my dear. What did you say is your name again?
My name is Lizzie, ma.
Lizzie. How old are you?
I'm 30, ma.
30? You look too mature and too intelligent to be a maid. I don't think I would need that.
Ma, please. Please help me. I really need this job. Please.
Madam Betty, please. She's my sister. And I'm sure she will deliver very well. Please.
I won't disappoint you.
Anyway, because of Uka here, but I'll pay you 15,000 naira per month. You take care of the house and also do the cooking.
I will. It's fine, man. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's alright, you can start tomorrow.
God bless you, man. Thank you.
Thank you, Margaret. God bless you. Please.
Okay. What have I done to myself? Jacinta. Jacinta, when you had nothing, when you had no one, I was there for you. I shared everything I had with you. Everything.
Please stop crying. Please. Is it today you know how wicked this world is?
Hey!
Lizzie, you see, you have to be strong and face this world squarely and move on. That is life for you. Myself, I'm a graduate, but look at where I've ended up. Just look at me.
You have not ended up here. I strongly believe that God will take you places because you're a good man.
Amen, amen, Lizzie. And you too. Please, stop crying. Just cheer up for me, please. I hate to see you crying, please. Come on, Lizzie, please.
So we're going to sing together, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, W, X, Y, Z. Happy, happy, happy.
Hey guys, big boy.
Honey, you're welcome.
How you doing? Hi, my boy. You're looking bright.
Precious, get here and I'll join you soon, okay? See you. Be a good boy. Honey, your face don't look bright. What is it?
Sweetheart, I'm worried.
You were about what?
I'm sorry to say this, but I need a child. I need a child of my own. I need my own blood.
A child will come. I don't make babies. I am not God that gives children. I am not.
I'm sorry. Come on. I'm sorry, okay? Listen, I don't mean to upset you.
No, I'm already upset.
I'm just worried. I'm a man.
You're worried? I am worried too. You think I don't want children?
I'm sorry.
I am worried as well.
It's okay.
No, don't tell me it's okay. Don't tell me it's okay. I want children as well.
I said I'm sorry.
You think I don't want kids? You think I don't want?
were still asleep when I got here.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, my husband will be returning today, though late. So you have to stay over and prepare things. Then you can leave tomorrow morning, okay?
Okay, ma.
I'm going out. I left 10,000 naira in my room. Pick it up in case there are other things you need to buy.
Okay, ma. I'll need to tell my brother I won't come back today.
It's okay.
I greet you all.
Yes.
Agreed that Igwe is my brother. But that will not stop me from saying the truth. If the Igwe is not well enough to rule this kingdom, let him step down for another person to take over. Now that we have crisis with our neighboring community.
James, you are right. I support you. Igwe refused to dismiss us, yet he refused to see us. So what are we doing?
Oh.
My elders, please. We are very sorry. Igwe was supposed to be here. But the doctor insisted I should have his own rest. His bed rest. Please bear with us. I beg of you people.
Lolo, is Igwe coming from London or America? We're saying the same thing. No? If the Igwe is not well enough to rule this kingdom, let him step down for another person to take over. That is what I am saying.
Listen, no, now. It's not done anywhere. As far as the Igwe is still alive, nobody replaces him except by his permission.
No, what are you saying? No. Oh. Is that what you want? You want our neighboring community to come capture the whole of us? Omami, if that is your plan, it won't work.
Eze, why are you always fighting your brother?
No.
I am not fighting him.
Why are you always
No, keep quiet. I am not
What
fighting
is
him.
the truth here?
I am saying the truth.
What is the truth here, Ude?
So you're stopping me here now?
Something touched my mind now, and it is very important that I tell you that.
What's it?
If this kingdom is to make progress, we have to do things the right way. Because there is no way a dying man will rule a kingdom and you see progress in that kingdom.
Not at all.
Now, Igwe, he has to hand over to a capable person. Man, I can jog you. Let me ask you. Don't you think you can rule this kingdom?
No. I'm not from the royal family now. Besides, Prince Mike, the prince, is dead. Igwe does not have any male child. And you are Igwe brother. You can still take over the leadership.
Bam! Bam! Ijia! Ichude! Now, let me tell you this. I am ready to lead this kingdom to a height that progress will come. Success will come.
If that is the case, in our next meeting, I will raise the issue up. And I will tell the elders that you are ready to take the mantle of leadership. Pending when Igwe is okay.
Ichode, let us go back. Let us go back and inform them. Because delay is dangerous.
Which delay? Okay, which delay is dangerous? Oh, you want to kill the Igwe? So it's your plan.
Hey!
Ude,
why are you saying this now?
I don't understand.
Why are you saying this?
I don't understand.
You see, don't put me into trouble. I don't want to kill my brother. He's my only brother, please.
Icheze, leave the work for me. Let's go.
Don't repeat that word again.
It's because of what you said.
No. I'm not ready to kill my brother. He's my only brother. Biko.
Baby!
How are you?
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Look at you.
I miss you.
I missed you too. Ah, come on. So tell me, what have you been doing without me?
Oh, is that the first question you should ask me?
I mean, you know those Abuja girls can be very tempting and dangerous.
No. I've been neck deep in my work.
Anyway, I love you and I trust you.
Thank you for loving me. You know, I got you some goodies, so
really?
It's in the car. Even my bags, they are in the car.
Don't worry, I'll get them later. Good to see you.
Wow, my baby. I'm thirsty. Can I have a glass of water?
Oh, okay. Where's this girl? Lizzie! Lizzie! Yes, ma'am, I'm coming. Please get my husband a cold glass of water. Okay, ma'am. Okay, so honey, should I set the table at once?
No.
Dinner.
It's past midnight. I can't eat now, right?
Oh, but that's not fair. We went through a lot preparing that meal.
Don't worry, baby, understand. Tomorrow I'll eat.
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry. I didn't. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Eze, what did you say is very urgent?
Igwe, we are brothers from the same parents. We are known in bringing kings that rule Akama Kingdom, even from our forefathers.
You speak the truth.
Good. I do not want our inheritance to slip off our hands.
How?
Igwe, you know you have been sick for too long.
that makes you incapable of presiding over the affairs of this kingdom.
What do you mean?
Iwe, I am suggesting that you hand over the affairs of this kingdom to another person. Please, let me handle it for you.
But Onowo is not doing badly.
Just, Iwe, don't just go there. Aganeba. Ours is ours. How will you feel that another person Onowo from another family will come and begin to preside over the affairs of this kingdom? Your Majesty, if you give him this opportunity, he will take over the kingdom. And this kingship will slip away from our hands. Is that what you want?
Listen, Igwe, there is sense in what you just said.
Thank you, Igwe.
I know if you say for sure, if I go fit live till tomorrow. For this kind of pain in my heart is killing me so bad. Can't explain why.
I think I'll sleep here instead of going to Cass place. Because I'm sure my mother will still go there to look for me.
My own tears, cause my heart is so heavy and filled with pain. I'm losing my grip and I'm filled with fears. But I'm trying to hold on to life, trying to hold on to nothing, trying to hold on. Cause I'm dying inside, I'm doing my best, trying to hold on to life, trying to hold on to nothing, trying to hold on. I'm dying inside, it's killing me. I know if you say for sure, if I go fit live till tomorrow. For this kind of pain in my heart is killing me so bad. Can't explain why my life is all on the ghost mode. Cause everything has gone bad and it's killing me, oh. I sink in the river of my own tears. Cause my heart is so heavy and filled with pain. I'm losing my grip and I'm filled with fears. But I'm trying to hold on to life.
My house, my baby. What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? You are in my duplex. My duplex. You are in my duplex. What are you doing in my house? Yeah. What are you doing in my house?
So she's not yet back?
Madam, I went everywhere. I looked for her. I looked Mama Kechi. I went to Mama Oka. I didn't see her. Nobody passed through the gate.
It's all right. It's okay. See, Sugar, don't bother yourself. I'm sure she's okay wherever she is now. All right?
But why would she run off like that? Eh? Is it because of the glass she broke? She should have known better than running off on me like that. I would never do anything to hurt her. I like that girl so much. She's so hardworking.
I understand. It's all right. It's all right. You can go. You can go.
I should go?
I said you should go.
Madam, she will come back, yeah? Sorry.
Just relax. Don't get yourself worked up. I believe she will come back. If she does not come back, we'll contact her people. This is just a simple case. You don't have to get yourself worried.
I'm scared.
No, you see, it's common with all these housemates. Once they do something, you see them, they get scared. The next thing, they run away. It happens every day.
What happened? Lizzie, talk to me. Why are you crying? What happened? Lizzie, please talk to me. What's going on?
Okay, you don't believe what happened.
What?
A madman raped me.
Oh God, I'm so sorry. Please, Lizzie, it's okay. Stop crying, please. Stop crying. It's okay, please.
What kind of life is this? What sort of life is this?
It's okay, please. Please, come inside, please. Please, Lizzie. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Please, what's the Sorry. Stop crying. Sorry. It's okay, Lizzie.
We cannot conclude this matter like that. Because our Igwe is still alive and not dead.
No, shut up. Oh no, shut up.
Me or no, we should shut up and sit down in this palace.
It has not occurred to you
that I am in charge. I decide what happens in Akama Kingdom now.
Let me also remind you, I am the Ono, the traditional prime minister of this great Akama Kingdom.
Oh no, for your information, we don't have two heads in this meeting. I decide who seconds me.
Let me tell you that your brother, our Igwe, asks you to hold brief for him does not mean you have the final say. Remember, our Igwe is still alive. Get that into your skull.
Oh, you are daring me. Now, stand up and get out. Get out of this palace now.
You asked me to go out. I will go out. But the Igwe must hear this.
Guards!
Get out.
But is she Eze? Is she Eze?
Your Highness, you are not supposed to send him away just like that.
Is that what you want? You want to follow him? Is that what you want?
No, it hasn't come to that. It hasn't come to that.
Ichodi, you are now the Ono.
Huh?
No. Igwe.
Madam.
Well, since she doesn't want to work here again, and she doesn't want to see me, take this. It's part of her salary. I was supposed to pay her if she had worked here till the end of this month. So give it to her.
Thank you so much, madam. That's very kind of you. I will give it to her as you've instructed. Thank you so much, ma'am. I have to take my leave now.
All right.
Thank you.
Take care.
You just come out of the blue and you're claiming to be the father of my child. Something is wrong wrong with your head?
I still suggest we run a DNA test to prove me otherwise.
You are very sick. I will not.
Jacinta, what is this man talking about? A DNA what? Excuse me. Is it this man that impregnated you?
He is not. The father of my child is dead. Long time ago. I don't know what he's talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Jacinta, you don't know what I'm talking about. Listen, you have to examine your hair because you weren't the woman I slept with. It's Lizzie.
Oh! So you know! You know I wasn't the one you slept with. So why are you claiming my child? Why? Why are you here? After raping us, you have the nerve to come to this place? You have the nerve to show your face here? To claim a child that is not yours? Eh?
So you know him all this while?
Well, it wasn't a situation to be proud of.
Stop all this pretense, Jacinta. I don't even know what is wrong with you. I did not sleep with you for God's sake. Are you sick in the head?
Hey, listen to me. You don't talk to my woman that way. What is wrong with you?